Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear students, what about you? Are you going well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today we are going to study a new poem. What is the name of the poem?
Any woman?
Any woman. The famous poem written by Katharina Tainan. Did you heard it anywhere about the poem or this writer?
Yes, sir.
Where from you heard it?
I hear, brother.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, let us read the profile of the poet. Katharina Tainan is an Irish-born writer known mainly for her novels and poetry. She has to her credit more than a score of novels and 7 books of verse. She usually wrote under the name Katharina Tainan Hinkson. Her human sympathy is keen, tender, warm, and constant. Okay, the poem Any Woman presents the all-embracing power of a woman to hold a family together. Okay, is a very prolific writer. Let us go through the poem. I will recite first. You have to listen very carefully this poem. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Any woman, Katharina Tainan. I am the pillars of the house. The keystone of the arch am I. Take me away, and roof and wall would fall to ruin me utterly. Have you listened? Did you listen?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Have you noticed any poetic device in this first stanza? Yes. What is the first?
Simile.
No. Anyone?
Metaphor.
Okay, very good. Okay, here poet used figure of speech, metaphor. Do you know metaphor?
Sir, what is metaphor?
Metaphor. Okay, I will show you a chart. It will explain what is metaphor and simile, what is the difference between simile and metaphor. A simile is a comparison of two things using like or as. Example, mother is like a sea. Mother is like a sea. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
But metaphor, here metaphor states comparison in direct manner. There is no usage of as, like, other. Salih is lion. Rabi is lion. Is a examples of. Can you say any example for that metaphor?
The peoples are scorpion. Scorpion.
Okay. We are in this first stanza. Poet says about the importance of a woman in a home. If the center cannot hold all things properly, everything fall apart. Look at that building. The building situated by the help of pillars. How many pillars are there? 5 pillars are there, and another so many pillars are there in this building. If a person broke these all pillars, our building will be falling. Okay. So, similarly, poet says, take me away. That is, in the absence of the mother, the whole family will collapse. Without mother, the family will collapse. Okay, here poet clearly explain what is the importance of a mother in a home. Without a mother, what was the situation of our home? Okay, important mother is the important personality in the home, our home. This stanza reveals the importance of woman to sustain the family. Okay, let us go to the second stanza. I am the fire upon the earth. I am the light of the good sun. I am the heat that warmed the earth, which else were colder than a stone. At me children warm their hands. I am their light of love alive. Without me, cold the hearthstone stands, nor could the precious children thrive. The poem conveys the concrete experience, very good experience about the mother's importance. Dear children, can you imagine a day without mother in a home? Can you imagine a day without our mother in home? No. I got the answer from your expression, because mother is the central part of our house. Without mother, we can't live. We can't live as a good life. We can live in this house, but at the same time we can't live a good life without mother. What does the poet further try to convey? First line. If there is any use in the earth without fire, no, not at all. If there any use of this earth, here poet says about earth. If there is no earth, if there is any use of this earth without fire in it, no, not at all. The second line, I am the light of these good sons. Like the light, here we can see so many lights. That is why, because of the reason we saw everything. Without sun, what was the situation?
We can see everybody.
What will the situation if there is in sun? Everything will be dark. Like the house without mother, like a dark room. Okay. Could not be success without a mother in a son. It is a fact we all know, but in this three stanza, the poet says about the pivotal, the importance of mother in a home. When we have any problem, like a cold or fever, where will you go to say that problem? In front of mother or father or brother? Mother. Why? Because we will get solution from that mother. They will make cook for us. They washing our dresses and they prepare bed for our sleeping, and anything we want, they preparing for us. Okay. Did you understand about these stanzas?
Yes, sir.
If you have any questions about that poem? No. Okay. Here, what is the central matter of this poem? Mother. Here narrator of the poem is mother,
Katharina.
Katharina Taylor, representing a woman as a mother. Okay? Here, central theme of this poem is without mother, there will not be a good house. The mother is the central part of the house, keystone of the house, and pillars of the house, and everything. That is mother. Okay? Let us conclude here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.